How to find your PayPal username? Well, if you use the application, you can simply click on the application itself and then select the person's icon at the top left corner, and there it should say @ and your username. However, I can't show you that because my streaming service blocks this out, so I can't record. But there's another way of how you can do this. We can simply open up our browsers and then log into paypal.com as per usual. Then what we need to do is click on the 3 lines and then we click on send and request. So then after this has loaded, we click on the right arrow and then we click more. So from here you will get the option to manage your paypal.me profile. So we click on that and we need to log in again using a different browser. So I'm just going to come back in a second. Never mind, I lied, it was already logged in. So this is where you find your username. It says @ and then the username itself. So that is how you find your PayPal username. Okay, so it was as simple as that. Hope this helped you out. Make sure to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.